Hey there, savvy shoppers. If you're an Amazon Prime Visa cardholder, you know how convenient it is for earning rewards on your purchases. But when it comes to paying your bill, using a bank transfer can be a straightforward and fee-free option. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can handle your payments like a pro. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have your Amazon Prime Visa card details handy, including your account number and the amount you need to pay. This card is issued by Chase Bank, so you'll be directing your payment through their system. Start by logging into your Chase online banking account. If you don't have one, download the Chase app or visit their website and set it up. It's quick and secure. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Accounts or Credit Cards section. Find your Amazon Prime Visa card and check your current balance and due date. It's always a good idea to review your statement for any unfamiliar charges before making a payment. Now, head over to the Pay and Transfer tab. Here, you'll see options for making a payment. Select Pay My Chase credit card and choose your Amazon Prime Visa as the account. Next, opt for Bank Transfer as your payment method. You'll need to link your bank account if you haven't already. Enter your bank's routing number and account number carefully to avoid any errors. Enter the amount you want to pay and select the date for the transfer. Double-check everything to ensure accuracy, then confirm the transaction. Chase will process the transfer, and you'll get a confirmation email once it's complete. One tip: set up autopay if you want to avoid late fees in the future. It's a game changer for busy folks. And remember, while bank transfers are usually free, check with your bank for any potential fees on your end. There you have it. That's how you pay your Amazon Prime Visa via bank transfer. It's simple, efficient, and keeps your finances on track. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.